What if plants could talk? Well, they might not have mouths, but they have their own surprising way of communicating. Want to know how? When we think of communication, we usually picture people talking or animals making sounds. But did you know plants have a way of talking to each other too? It's not like a conversation in a human language, but plants can send signals and respond to their environment in incredible ways. For example, when a plant is attacked by insects, it releases chemicals that act as a kind of alarm signal. Nearby plants smell these chemicals and start producing their own defenses, like toxic substances to deter the insects. It's like plants are warning each other of danger, a silent SOS. Plants also have a fascinating relationship with fungi in the soil. Through a network of roots and fungal threads, known as the mycorrhizal network, plants can exchange nutrients like a living internet. In fact, trees and plants in a forest often share resources this way, even sending more nutrients to younger or weaker plants to help them grow. Some scientists even call it the wood wide web. But it gets even more surprising. Certain plants, like the Mimosa pudica, commonly called the sensitive plant, react to touch. When you touch its leaves, they fold up almost instantly. Scientists believe this might be a defense mechanism, as predators may be startled or confused when the plant suddenly closes. And then there's the Venus flytrap, which snaps shut when an insect touches its leaves. This isn't exactly communication, but it's a sophisticated reaction to environmental cues. The Venus flytrap has tiny hairs on its leaves, and when an insect brushes against two of these hairs, the plant knows it's time to close its trap and start digesting. What's even more incredible is that plants might have memories. Experiments have shown that plants can learn to stop reacting to harmless stimuli. For example, the sensitive plant Mimosa pudica can learn to stop closing its leaves when it's dropped repeatedly without harm. So next time you're around plants, remember, they might not talk or move like animals, but they have their own complex ways of interacting with the world.